Compressors are an excellent instrument that can be used for many different purposes. They can make pneumatic tools, paint sprayers, airbrushes and fill up tires, to detail your vehicle and much more. We have provided links to the descriptions box below that are up to date for the most competitive prices. We tried a variety of quiet compressors to make the list, and of all the models our choice of the California Air Tools 2010A Ultra Quiet Air Compressor was the one we liked best. It's a perfect combination of quality and quiet with plenty of power for the majority of pneumatic tools. The unit is fitted with a motor of 1 horsepower which will move 3.1 cubic feet, CFM, in air with a weight of 40 pounds for each inch 2, and 2.2 CFM at 90 psi. It is operating at 60 decibels. It is not loud enough for conversations right close to it. One thing we enjoyed with this model was its speedy fill time of 50 seconds after empty. It has a 2-gallon aluminum tank that has anti-rust protection. Its oil pumps are oil-free and eliminates the need for maintenance, and comes with a long 3,000-hour lifespan before wearing. The entire unit weighs at only 35 pounds, making it easy to transport. Our only gripe with this unit has to do with the fact that its regulator had been set to low in the factory. To correct it, we had to remove the compressor for a while, however the fix was relatively simple. We don't think we'll be able to repair an entirely new machine. Affordably priced and with great specifications, this BOSTITCH, the BTFP02012 Pancake air compressor, could be the quietest air compressor available. It has a maximum tension of 150 psi with an airflow regulator with high flow that is ideal for smaller pneumatic devices with the capacity of 2.6 normal cubic feet of air per minute, SCFM. Like many modern compressors, this one comes with a low maintenance and oil-free design. It's got a 6-gallon air tank that has plenty of capacity to allow you to work with no interruptions. Despite its large dimensions, this machine weighs only 29 pounds, which makes it quite portable. The machine is operating at 78.5 decibels. It's not loud enough to hold an intimate conversation with, however you may need to speak to a degree. For the cost, we're not sure that you can find a more quiet compressor that has the same specs and the features it offers. Metabo HPT used to be popularly known as Hitachi Power Tools, however, they're producing the same top quality tools that Hitachi was known for. The compressor is a good product, but it has a few issues which prevent it from being a great product. Let's get to the best features first. It's a very quiet compressor running at only 59 decibels. It's also small and lightweight with a weight of just 25 pounds and boasting an easy to carry handle that is on top. It requires almost no maintenance because of the oil-free pump. Additionally, everything is secured from the steel cage that protects the compressor. Rubber feet ensure it is steady on nearly every surface. Where this compressor fails is in the quality control as well as the airflow. It only produces 1.3 CFM of airflow at 40 psi, which isn't enough for it to run most pneumatic tools. Even finish nailers are just too much to manage. For quality control, the gauges on our unit did not work when it came in. After some further investigation, we discovered that the gauges were warped, that was preventing the gauge from moving. As it turned out, this is a fairly common problem with compressors. The compact but powerful DEWALT D55140 air compressor measures only 9 inches in width and weighs just 24 pounds. It's one of the slimmest and lightest compressors that we've tested. It's only operating at 70 decibels, which makes it one of the most quiet compressors we've tested as well. As with many compact compressors, this one has a low-maintenance oil-free design. Similar to other smaller compressors is that it features relatively low airflow, which has made it not make the top 3 of our list. With only 0.75 SCFM at 90 psi, this compressor is going to be unable to operate many pneumatic instruments, however it's ideal for airbrushes and crafting. To keep the dimensions smaller, DEWALT opted for a 1-gallon tank for the compressor. It would seem that it's filled fast, but that's not the scenario. According to our experience, it took a few minutes to fill. However, this is a sturdy and mobile machine that is enclosed by a roll cage that helps safeguard the motor. It's a fantastic compressor, but it's not enough to compete with the compressors placed over it. The Makita Mac 210Q Quiet Series air compressor is a compact compressor equipped with a 2-gallon tank. However, despite its dimensions, it's pretty heavy at 44 pounds. It's not to say that it's not transportable, but it can limit its mobility. The bulk of the weight is likely to be due to the roll cage, which protects the entire unit, ensuring its safety when it's being transported. With an operating capacity of just 60 decibels, this is among the quietest air compressors that we've encountered. It's quite costly than comparable compressors. However, it's packed with amazing features, including maintenance-free design and low RPM operation that allows it to have an extended lifespan than other models. At 2 CFM of airflow and 90 psi, this compressor could be unable to power pneumatic tools. It's not designed to power something large such as framing nailers. We've even had some problems with nailers for finishing on the unit, and that's one reason it didn't make it to the top of our list of